you want to add anything? Okay, cool. So we just closed off a very busy period of work. I just figured I'd give you a bit of an update as to what's going on with the farm, what's going on with the growth. So for the past 3 months we've had big project after big project. By that I mean multiple parts, hundreds of parts, hundreds of kilos of filament, all based around large format printing. Yes, we're developing that large machine, Elm, second startup that me and Nikki put together. We should have that ready by end of the year. Something we've started a couple of years ago. So location 1 of the print farm right now is being refurbished a bit because we had a bit too much all over the place. As you can see, the Prusa shelf is growing, which is nice. But we got rid of some old machines, cleared some space in the printer graveyard. Well, basically, there's some machines we're just not gonna fix anymore. Some machines just are well past their due date, and it's unfortunate, but it's just a reality. We're updating the way we store our filaments, and we're expanding upwards, which is good. So in the effort of infrastructural growth and all that lovely stuff, this is going to be the new outgoing shelf. We're still putting things together, and the graveyard has been cleared. We've kept some, but basically now, since we're moving to another floor, we have more space. So what we're thinking is we'll have all the functional machines here. Most likely we'll have a Prusa section all put together. The large format machines will probably end up with their own section as well. But there will be a specific printer maintenance section up there. David, how will you get the printers up? Oh, with the lift. Goes up there. All that space. We're also fixing a bit this area. This was the showroom. As you can see, it's turned back into a workshop. But on this side though, that side will be coming soon. Big things, very big things. What do you think about the print farm?
It's good. Yes.
Michael, what do you think of the print farm?
Super cool.
I agree. I think I agree. Do you want to be on the podcast?
Huh?
Do you want to be on the podcast?
What is that?
Podcast is when two people speak together and discuss issues that they find in common or argue about stuff which they aren't in common.
Okay.
You want to be on my podcast? Work-life balance, everyone. What do you think about work-life balance?
Good.
Good? It's terrible. There's no work-life balance. And we have better sound now. I cannot handle videos with bad sound. Now we have good sound. Thank you.